Hello, everyone. This is Monday, and I cannot tell you how happy I am this Monday. First of all, as a father, I want to tell you that I was excited to see my daughter, who is, to a great extent, reading and reading and reading, which is a big achievement. She was born with cataracts and had successful surgery, but also amazing vision in combination of the surgery and the eye exercises. And anyway, she's a professional woman who writes grants or applies for grants. But she was also running. I was happy to see a daughter of mine who was in front of her desk running in a park, a quarter marathon, only 10 miles, 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles. And that was a great day. My triumph with her vision is a triumph from her birth till now, and that is she's almost 27. But another thing I was happy about is that Charlotte, my friend from Israel, called me to tell me that a friend of hers had 2 cataract surgeries. One of them went well, but the other one didn't. She was bleeding in her eyes. Don't fool yourself thinking that cataract surgery is always successful and that everything goes well with it. My friends, if you have beginning of cataracts, come to my classes, read my books, especially to the class I'm going to teach this Thursday from the 6th to the 11th. And there's going to be wonderful weather, so we're going to go a lot to the beach and look at the waves. Looking at a distance can prevent cataract from expanding, can prevent cataract from forming. If we do it correctly, we look at a distance, wave our hands to the side, learn to relax. Well, what happened is she had a lot of bleeding. The doctors did not know what's going to happen. And then she learned about one simple exercise called palming, where you rub your hands and you put your hands around the eye orbits, where you breathe deeply and relax your eyes. We have wonderful audio CDs and video CDs that demonstrate palming. We write about it in all the books, in the book Movement for Self-Healing, Vision for Life, and Awakening Your Body for Self-Healing. It's all written. And guess what? The bleeding stopped. Her doctor says, I don't know what you're doing. I don't even care to know what you're doing. But your retina is better. And then I got a phone call from my good friends from Singapore. I had a wonderful, wonderful young man by the name of Pranad. And he came accompanied with his wonderful parents, Shobat and Yogita. And they really helped me. They interned with me, apprenticed with me, worked with me strongly on their son. And their son, Pranad, is so intelligent. And it takes intelligence to really succeed in this work. And he learned the principles so well and worked with them. And we met for so many sessions, I think 17 of them, for 3 hours and 45 minutes. Sometimes we extended it to 4 hours. And now I got a phone call, and I've learned that his peripheral vision have increased. He had a huge problem of high myopia, where the myopia is out of control, the eyes being stretched greatly, and all of a sudden he had bleeding and loss of vision in his right eye. Well, things change. His periphery is better, and he starts to see through the blind spot of his eye. Well, 2 pieces of news in one day, and I'm so happy. So now let me talk about you. We're being told that eyes cannot get better. It's written in all the optometry books, in all the ophthalmology books. That's what they informed every patient that comes to them. But I completely don't agree with them. Your eyes can get better and will get better with diligent work. So no, don't come to my class if you don't want to do diligent work. But do come to my class if you want to do what it takes to get your eyes better. Talk to you soon, Meir.